Okay, hi. Say you have something like a PDF file like this. You want to grab the text. Maybe you cannot do it because it's an image or something like that. When you can use this code here, for example, you can use it in many other purposes too. And I already uploaded this code, but I made a little improvement here. Made a little graphic interface so that it doesn't start immediately, so that you have to hide this thing, etc. You just have this window here made with the Tkinter, a module to make a basic window with Python. So you have, for example, this image here, and you wanna grab the text out of it. And let's suppose this is an image, and you cannot take it. So um, you go here and click the button, grab here. It's just one button. This will disappear. Then you will click on the top left of the window and on the top, on the bottom, on the right here, like this. So this will open your default image viewer here, but it's not just that, because that would be easy to do also with other tools that Windows has, like this one. But we want to get this text into this image, and so you can see here in the console, in the REPL console, you can see how to install REPL on Sublime Text in one of my videos. And here you see that there is the content, and this is completely you can get this one, put it into Word or somewhere else and change it. So this is my code, and this is what it does, implemented differently from the other version I uploaded some times ago with this little Tkinter window here. And if you want to see what it is, I imported Tkinter SDK, and then I created my window with this calling with this instance of the DK class, and created an instance of the button class, make it visible with this a text on it, and with this with the command, so that when you click it will go to this function that will destroy the window itself, print something on the console, and then activate the listener. And the listener itself will, on click, will go here, and when you press it one time, it will go and memorize the coordinates where you click it first, and then when you click the second time, it will go to the function grab with the coordinates of the first point and the second point of this rectangle where you want to get the image. And so the grab function here just uses this function from this tool image grab, this PyScreenshot module, and this class image grab with the method grab that will use the coordinates to grab what is on the screen at these coordinates that we pass to it through this function here. And so then we will save the image, and then we go to this function OCR, optical character recognition, where it will use PyTesseract to understand what's inside of this image. And then it will print the image, will print the string into the text into the image with this method image to string, getting the image that we've saved before. And so this is how this one works. Thank you for the attention, and see you in another video.